Hi, welcome back. And today I'm gonna bring the instrument that I'm playing with my hand drum. So it's a djembe. It's a toccata. Nice, and it's not expensive. So you can see here a toccata have nice color and the nice rub, and it's 14-inch bigger and sound incredible, and it's only 179.99 in Amazon. So for 180 you get amazing instrument to play and start doing the bass sounds incredible, and the tone here and the slap, they sound amazing. And I played it for first time, I was like in love with this instrument because it's so have so much sound, and it's not expensive, so you can get it start practicing. So let me play a couple of rhythms so you can hear it in action. There you have it. See? Amazing instrument. The tune is amazing here. So it's not wood. It's another material, but it's very good. So check it out. Toccata Freestyle Rope. I'm gonna leave the description below and have a lot of fun. See you.